Welcome everybody, my name is Ola El Husseini. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to use a conditional format to evaluate the performance of your sales value and make analysis to your data in an easy way. In this example I want to highlight the product name by the green color, which is sales value is greater than or equal 6 million. Let me show you how to do this. In this sheet contains a data list for the sales value for the products, and there is a column for the product name and another one for the sales value. Okay, the product name range is from A4 through A15 and the sales value is from F4 through F15. Remember that for now, and we will use it shortly. Okay. The first step, we have to highlight the range for the product. So I highlight from A4 through A15. Okay. Then from the Home tab, I select Conditional Format and New Rule. And from New Formatting Rule, click Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Okay. In Format Values, where this formula is true, I am going to use formula. Okay. Because the conditional format will evaluate my formula. If the formula evaluated to true, so the formatted will be applied. Okay. The first step, I type equal, then specify the formula or the condition. Okay, I want to evaluate the sales value, so I type the first cell of my range, so I type F4, and be sure the cell reference is relative. Okay, so you have to type the cell reference instead of selected. If you select the cell reference, it will be absolute or fixed. But I want it to be relative, so I have to type it manually. Okay? And specify my condition is greater than or equal 6 million. If the condition evaluated to true, I want to highlight the cells by the green color, so I select Format. And specify the color. So from the Fill tab, I select the color, the green one, and press OK. Then OK. Okay. Now Excel highlight the product name, which its sales value is greater than or equal 6 million. Okay, and be sure to create a legend so the end users will figure out your conditional format in an easy way. The first step is specify your condition. Okay, and specify your format so the end user can figure out your analysis for your data. That's it. If you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any feedback, please comment below the video. Thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial.